The video interview was conducted by Vanity Fair and showed some of the cast members of Barbie alongside their director Greta Gerwig playing a game of asking each other questions to test how well they know each other. When it was Ferrera's turn to ask questions, she asked Gerwig, Margot Robbie, Issa Rae, and Kate McKinnon if anyone could guess her guilty pleasure. "Oh, I bet a massage or something." "Self-care? Is that a guilty pleasure or the same thing?" said Gerwig. Other castmates suggested being away from her kids and family, or looking at expensive real estate. "No, I don't feel guilty about any of those things, but my guilty pleasure would be. I'm going to really regret saying this. It's not showering for a few days," she said. While Gerwig and Robbie were shocked, McKinnon simply nodded along in agreement. "What? I would never have expected that," said Robbie.